Good morning, O class. Today we're learning how to add a 1-digit number to a 2-digit number by counting up to the next 10. And this is a really good strategy to be able to use in your head to add numbers together really quickly. To be successful at this strategy, we need to know our number bonds to 10 and the number bonds to numbers that are less than 10, which we worked really hard on last term. Now, if you feel that you're not very confident with your number bonds to 10 or bonds to numbers less than 10, that would be a really good thing to practice while you're learning from home. So let's have a go at this number sentence. We're going to be adding this 2-digit number and this 1-digit number that I've made out of Numicon. On this side, I've got 1 10 and 9 ones, so my number's 19, and I'm going to add 4. So I could start with the larger number and count forwards 4. But what I'm going to do is think about what the next 10 is after 19. Well, if I keep counting forwards from 19, my next 10 will be 20. And I know, because of my number bonds to 10, that 9 and 1 make 10. So 19 and 1 will make 20. I also know that 4 is the same as 1 and 3. So if I take my 1 from my 4 and I add it to my 9, I've now made the next 10. I've made 20. And my number sentence has changed. I've now got 20, add 3. 2 10s and 3 1s. So my answer is 23. What would that look like on a bead string? Here's my bead string. Here I've got 10 white beads and 9 red beads. So altogether I've got 19. And I'm going to add 4. You'll notice that my 4 is made of 1 red bead and 3 white beads. That's because this red bead is the last one I need to get to the next 10. I've now got 10 white and 10 red. I've got 20 and 3. 20 add 3 is 23. Now, you might not have bead strings or Numicon at home, so let's think about how we can show that in a way at home. So here are 10 frames, and I've made a number out of my 10 frames. I'm just going to get my counters back in place that have shuffled out the way. Now, you could draw a 10 frame at home. It's just a rectangle with 10 boxes in it. And you could use coins instead of counters, or you could draw dots onto your 10 frame. But this is another really good way of showing how we can add a 2-digit number to a 1-digit number by adding to the next 10. So here I've got a full 10 frame, another full 10 frame, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So I've got 10, 25. So I've got 25 red counters, and I'm going to add 2, 4, 6, 6 green counters. Now, I could start on 25 and count up in my head 6 places, but I could also use my knowledge of number bonds and I could count to the next 10. Now, I know the next 10 after 20 is 30, and I also know that 5 and 5 make 10. So if 5 and 5 make 10, 25 add 5 will make 30. So I'm going to take 5 counters from my 6 and I'm going to fill my 10 frame. So I've counted on to the next 10. One more to go. And I've now changed my number sentence to a much easier one to do in my head. 10, 20, 30, add 1. 3 10s and 1 1. My answer's 31. Another way I can show that at home is using a number line. So here's my number line, and I'm going to start on 25, and I know the next 10 is 30. So I've got to think about the jump I need to make from 25 to 30. I know that 5 and 5 make 10, so I know 25 add 5 make 30. I don't want to add 5 though, I need to add 6. The number sentence is 25 add 6. So I need to make another smaller jump of 1. And my answer 31. On your weekly planner, I've given you 6 number sentences that I want you to try and find the answer to by counting to the next 10. Can you show me using a number line, or if you find it easier, draw the 10 frames and draw the counters? Good luck everyone. See you soon. Bye.